Okay, we're gonna do an experiment and we're gonna see which one of these two household cleaners, so this one, algae, mildew, mold, multi-cleaner, or this, mold armor, easy house wash. Which one works the best? Okay, we're gonna try this one first. Here's the instructions. Attach to a garden hose, turn the valve at the top, and then rinse. Easy peasy. Okay, so this is some of the algae that we're gonna try to get rid of, and this area right over here, you can tell, look at that, ew, grossness. So that's what we're gonna test out first. We gotta put it in there. Okay, so we're gonna take our nozzle off. Remove red tip for second story reach. This thing? Let's see. Now we're gonna go and rinse. That got like all the way up there. Sorry. Pull this off sooner. This little red cap. Read the directions before you use. So here I go with rinsing. Look what happened to this bottle. It's like all suctioned in. So let's see what happens with it. Okay, let's look a little closer. Alright, looks like I got a little bit of overspray there, but so if you come this way, no more green algae. Look, it's all gone. Wow! So this has like different spray nozzles. That one looks like oval shape, circular. Looks like that's like if you want to do an edge, and then this is like a, I don't know, more of a wide spray maybe. Okay, water's turned on. Time to test mold armor. Okay, this is mold armor. Dude, look at that. It is still all moldy. After I just spent all that time spraying it down. The other one on the side of the house, holy cow, that like came clean so fast. And look, it didn't even take the mold off of like the windowsills as much as it did over on the other side. So I am not a fan of this one, but it says to wait 10 minutes before you rinse. Even though this has some solution in it, it feels like it's all foamy inside, and it did not clean the house as well as the other product. Can you see that? Can you see that? Mold is like still there, even though I washed it so long. Winner, loser. Winner, loser. Aww. So one of the negative things about that wash spray is that it smells like